What's up, guys? Welcome back to the barn. My name is Chris, and we're doing something a little different today. I've recorded another video working on the Prelude, and it just felt like the exact same thing as my last two videos, and so I just wasn't super excited about it. So we're gonna do something else today, just kind of break it up a little bit, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So this is my 2015 Can-Am Outlander 650 DPS, which is a bunch of mumbo-jumbo sounding words together when you say it out loud. It's a nice machine. It's pretty quick. It's probably it's the fastest vehicle I own, and it runs really great. The issue with it is the thing that goes right here, the winch. The thing that's wrong with it is the winch. I had an incident with it a couple of years ago, year and a half ago, and it ended up snapping the winch cable and like tore one of the boots off the axles, and it's just kind of made a mess of it. So I fixed the boot before, but I've never got around to replacing the cable. I started working on it this last winter, but it was just too cold really for me to work on it. So another thing that seems to be plaguing me, like especially with that Honda and with this, I keep dropping bolts and they get stuck in places. So I need to try to get one of the bolts I've taken out for the winch guard thingy, or guide, I think it is what it's called. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to jack it up. But to be honest, this is probably the best sounding vehicle I have too. So I guess let's fire it up and get it on my little things, whatever, ramps. Penny! Shush! So I was able to get the bolts that I had dropped out. They were just under this little plastic cover here. I got one of the bolts that sits here, but there's this one right here that's stripped. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to get that out. If I had an angle grinder, then maybe I could just kind of grind that bolt away, at least the top of it. But not sure. Yeah, I'm kind of wish I had like a socket type bolt here. Thanks, sir.
Welcome.
So we're gonna go take a look in the tool shed and see if we have an angle grinder. It's one of the great mysteries of the barn. You don't know what you got. Alright, we went to the shop. Nothing, no angle grinder in there, unfortunately. The other thing I'm running into is this has got like a screw connector. This is the replacement. Going with a synthetic rope this time instead of actual metal cable. It's got like a screw here, but the winch doesn't have one of those. It's one that you like put it through and then loop it back in on itself, and that holds it in. So I'm pretty sure I could just cut this end off and do that to it, but I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna be able to fix it today. I'm gonna need to be able to get something to cut off this bolt right here, and then should be able to take this bumper off and just kind of be able to get at things a little easier. It's very hard to reach in there without this bumper on. So yeah, but I do find it a success because I found the 2 bolts that I had lost previously, so that's always a win. I want to take it for a ride, but it's kind of wet and rainy today. Alright, so I wasn't able to get it fixed. I need to get a new contactor, I think is what it's called, the little box, like relay thing, because my winch just clicks. So I need to get that, and I need to be able to get that bolt off, and then I think we'll finish this up. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to need to sell this one pretty soon, but try to have some fun with it before it's gone. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.